Hi, I'm Nick from Infotainment.com, here with this week's Infotainment and Automobile Industry Update for the week of February 3rd. Ford got everyone's attention when they announced upgrades to their twin-turbo Ford GT Supercar. The Ford GT is improved from 2020 with increased horsepower and upgraded engine cooling. Two unique special editions were released. The Ford GT Liquid Carbon Edition, which comes with special clear coat showing of the vehicle's unique carbon fiber weave. It features carbon fiber wheels as standard equipment. The owners can choose titanium lug nuts, 6-point racing harness anchors, 5 interior options, and 5 caliper colors. Ford GT's heralded heritage livery design gets some sleek upgrades, including a new design with black pinstripe to divide the distinct blue and orange colors, recalling the 1968 to 69 Le Mans-winning GT40. For the first on the heritage model, carbon fiber wheels are an option in addition to the traditional aluminum alloy. Cadillac introduced the new 2021 Cadillac Escalade. The company loaded the newly designed luxury SUV with technology that makes the passenger experience one to envy. It features the company's Super Cruise driver assistance technology and a host of other futuristic features, such as night vision, augmented reality-enabled navigation, and an industry first, a curved OLED design, providing a 38-inch diagonal display area with twice the pixel density of a 4K television. Nissan unveiled the 2020 Frontier during the Chicago Auto Show. The 2020 Frontier will be the last model year of the current generation and will feature best-in horsepower while also providing improved fuel economy and emissions performance. The 2020 Frontier sports a 310 horsepower direct injection V6 engine, replacing the previous inline 4-cylinder and 4.0-liter V6 engines. The bad news is it comes with a standard 9-speed automatic transmission, so no manual transmission is available, and it will go on sale in spring 2020. GM plans to resurrect its Hummer brand of vehicles. Originally a rugged off-road line of vehicles inspired by the military, the new line will be branded as the GMC Hummer EV. It will offer 1,000 horsepower, 11,500 foot-pound of torque, and a 1 to 60 miles per hour acceleration of 3 seconds. GM teased the new Hummer during the Super Bowl with ads featuring the king himself, LeBron James. GM has announced it will reveal an EV pickup version of the vehicle on May 20th, so stay tuned. And before we go, here's one you may have missed. Lincoln announced it will work with American electric truck maker Rivian to develop an all-new electric vehicle based on Rivian's EV truck platform. Ford, Lincoln's parent company, has a big commitment to EV production. The partnership seems like a natural progression for Ford and potentially the company's own version of a test drive of Rivian's technology, before potentially buying the company. We'll see. That's all for this week's update. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Infotainment.com, and be sure to visit our website at Infotainment.com. And we'll see you next week.